Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a new brokerage listing, a 2020 Sea Ray SLX 350 with only 58 freshwater hours only on it. This one is listed without the trailer, but I do have some trailers available, or I can also custom order a trailer if you need it, or we can also just have the boat delivered for you. All right, so as you come up onto the transom of the boat, one of the first things everybody notices is the really nice stern-facing lounger back on the back of the boat. Also, extra large swim platform. It does have the electric lift swim platform cut out in the middle. So just press the button, that'll raise and lower. These also, the seats flip over themselves, or flip under themselves, I should say. And then this will close down to cover them all up while this isn't in use, or while you're actually out boating. So moving into the boat, almost full wraparound seating back here in the cockpit. Isotherm refrigerator. This one was optioned with the electric Kenyon grill. Folding teak table. Oversized in-floor ski locker in the middle of the boat. Also an additional one up front. This boat also has your stern shade. That will extend out almost to the very transom of the boat to provide shade for the back. And this boat also has the closing canvas section here for the middle of the hard top. There is an inverter on board, so you do have 110 powered outlets, just like you would have in your house. So if you wanted to put a gimbal mount here for a television and plug it in, easy to do. Just stream it from your phone using whatever streaming app you use. Dual oversized Simrads. Because the boat is a twin engine, it does have Axios joystick docking, which is fantastic. Double wide captain seat, double wide companion seat, full LED lighting package, underwater LEDs, LEDs up in the tower, LEDs under the seats. Cabin on this side, all those cushions are for your benches and also for your filler seat up front that you can open up. Vacuum flush head. And one of my favorite features on this boat is really how big the bow is. Just really big bow seating. Also, cushions that fill in here to make this a full U-shaped seat up front. So if you got any questions about this, and again, only 58 hours, I mean, so the boat hasn't even has its first 100-hour service done on it yet. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, you can pick up the phone and give me a call directly on this one. My cell number is 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I'll look forward to talking to you.